that we find a cursed bag in our encampment full of what we suspect is poison? What are you trying to pull upon Skofields Drifters?
What is this? In our camp?
I can clear this all up.
I hope so.
This is not meant for you.
Then why is this our camp?
I would simply
That's a convenient excuse.
We already had a cheat over being
But I keep questioning seers who cannot even identify reliable couriers.
Well, we don't know if we can we simply drop it off to the WCC. We do have a good relationship, this I promise you.
What is it? What is in the what is the package? Let's hear about that.
This package belongs to the child oracle Cinder, who I am the guardian of. She can predict your enemies coming after you. We can bless your missions, your raids. I promise you, we are no threat to you. But we are more valuable as friends than enemies.
A simple misunderstanding?
This is rad smoke. This is rad smoke.
We have no weapons and we walk in front of you.
That you would hear us out.
They've never done us any wrong before.
Is it superstition? Why?
I don't believe in superstition. I'm a man of science.
But
I
Doc,
still maintain.
we don't have to believe. They've had people come to them for guidance. Imagine what we can learn if we align ourselves with them, the knowledge that they have.
That's what we propose, and we have brought an offering of peace to show you that we want to be aligned and friends with you.
Hold for a moment and let us convene. Doc, good move here. Even if you don't believe it, others do. It is a little suspicious, though. It is a little suspicious, but these are confusing times. The city has changed a lot this year. The couriers could be confused. We have no reason to think they lied. I thought that bag was dangerous.
Worst thing happens, shit happens to me. Yeah?
Yeah?
Let's do it. Then we open that bag.
I promise it is not dangerous.
I will open it so that you know it's not dangerous.
It's not dangerous.
This said cimotA on it. It was delivered to you by mistake. This bag carries blessed cloth meant for the child oracle. This is all. It's cloth. It's not a weapon. It's a simple cloth. That is all. See yourself. It's not dangerous.
Do we have an understanding?
Do we have an understanding?
With great relief.
Let us give you a gift of peace.
Thought we do.
I wish to present this school representing our two tribes.
Up to that, please. Nothing.
Y'all look at it. Y'all look at it. Put it down.
Start the fucking song.
The rust for cimotA, the iron for Skofields Drifters. In this wheel, we offer our services. If you need talismans to protect you from war, find us and we will provide them. If you need guidance, you can use our eyes. We will lend them to you.
Or the way the sweet water.
From ashes to ashes, dust to dust, bone to bone, and rust to rust. Please accept this humble offering in an alliance to our tribes.
With great relief, accept this offering.
It is our relief that you see us as friends.
And in return, for when we are not present to protect you, may you protect yourselves, and always know that you can call on Skofields Drifters if you are under any danger.
Thank you.
Humbly.
Can we get a celebratory? Alliance! Alliance! Alliance!
Very well then, if we're going to celebrate an alliance, we'll celebrate it properly. To the drifters encampment.
To the drifters!
Hi, Gemini. I'm sorry, I'm migration.
Drifters!
Thank you.